Hey everybody, welcome back to What's Happening. It's been a while since I posted. I've done a few things to the Rebel here. Just on my way to next upgrade, wheels and tires. You might be able to tell here, I did do a leveling kit on the front. It was a ready lift with the upper control arm, the biscuit that fits in there. It's been tons of videos about that, so I need to make anything about that, and just thought I'd take a before and after video of the stance here, stock. All right, see you guys when they're installed. All right, guys, here it is. 35s with a leveling kit. It's got Fuel Rebel, or no, Fuel Vapor 20 by 10. -18 offset. I think it fills the wheel wells very well. It's got just a tiny bit of poke there. This is the look I've been waiting to put on this truck. It's a BF Goodrich KO2s, 35 by 12.5 tires. Definitely making this truck look a lot beefier. Only thing I did to fit these 35s on here is take off that little mud flap that hangs down in there, and then I had to hammer this little flange back. It's behind this. There's a bolt, a little push pin that goes in there, and then there's a little tab under there. It's hard to see in there, but I just hammered that back, and then I drilled a hole in the fender liner there and zip tied that to pull that back. I zip tied it. Under here. Need to get some black zip ties, a larger size. I'm gonna redo that, but everything else clears just fine. Lock to lock. No issues. No issues when you change the suspension geometry. This wheel's taller and twisting and all that. No rubbing at all. Same size, same thing on the driver's side. The Goodyear Duratracks that were on here that came with the Rebel. A huge difference between the KO2s and those Duratracks. These are much quieter. I was down to 10/32 on those Duratracks, so not even quite halfway, and they were noisy. I've heard lots of things on these KO2s with this tread pattern that it doesn't get noisy as it wears down. I guess we'll see. I My daughter's had some KO2s on her Tacoma for, I think she's got like 10,000, 10 or 15,000 on them since she's put them on. No issues. Still quiet on her truck. So I've got another upgrade coming for the Rebel. Stay tuned.